Hi and welcome to the session. Let us discuss the following question. Question says, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? These are the given numbers. Now first of all, let us understand that in the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appears 3 times, then the number is a perfect cube. We will use this fact as our key idea to solve the given question. Let us now start with the solution. Now consider first given number, that is 216. Now its prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Clearly you can see 2 is appearing 3 times in prime factorization of 216 and prime factor 3 is also appearing 3 times in prime factorization of 216. Now from key idea we know in the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appears 3 times, then the number is a perfect cube. So 216 is a perfect cube. Since each prime factor appears 3 times in its prime factorization. Now consider second part of the given question. Given number is 128. Now prime factorization of 128 is 2 multiplied by 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 2. That is, multiplying 2 7 times we get 128. Now let us group the 2's in triplets. Clearly you can see 2 still remains after grouping the 2's in triplets. So we get 128 is not a perfect cube. Now consider third part of the given question. Now given number is 1000. Prime factorization of 1000 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Clearly you can see each prime factor, that is prime factor 2 and prime factor 5, appears 3 times in the prime factorization of 1000. So using key idea we get 1000 is a perfect cube. Now next given number is 100. Now prime factorization of 100 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Clearly you can see none of the prime factors forms a triplet in prime factorization of 100. So 100 is not a perfect cube. Now next given number is 46656. Now prime factorization of 46656 is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 3 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 multiplied by 3. Now let us group the 2's and 3's into triplets. Clearly you can see nothing remains after grouping the triplets. So the given number 46656 is a perfect cube. Or we can say, since each prime factor is appearing 3 times in the prime factorization of 46656, so number 46656 is a perfect cube. So the number 128 and the number 100 do not form a perfect cube. So the numbers given in the second part and the fourth part do not form a perfect cube. This is our required answer. This completes the session. Hope you understood the solution. Take care and bye for now.